Hi everyone. I'm going to show you today how to authorize your Canvas account to use your Google Drive. You can only be linked to one Google Drive in each Canvas instance, so if you are a multiple Google Drive user, you'll want to be careful about which account gets linked. So currently, I know that I am in my Gmail account, not my work account, because I've already linked that one. So I'm using a personal account. This is my Canvas. I'm on the Canvas side here. And I've logged into my Google account. I know that because I see my picture right here. So make sure that you're logged in both places, and then in one of the any course will work. It's going to link it either way. So down here at the bottom, you'll see Google Drive on the left in navigation. It's going to tell me, hey, you need to authorize the integration in order to use it. There's a little green authorize button down at the bottom. You launch that. And then it says, which account do you want to use? I'm going to tell it to use this particular Google Drive, which means, just as a note, make sure that you get anything you want to use in this particular course within this Google Drive. So that's going to make life a lot easier when you're pulling in documents. You'll want your students to do that exact same thing in order to get get your assignments when they're embedded in Canvas, and also to submit work.